One owner clean Carfax. Acadia SLE, GM certified, 4D Sport utility, white, power rear liftgate body, and rear vision camera. Are you looking for a reliable used vehicle? Well, with this gorgeous looking 2012 GMC Acadia, you are going to get it. This Acadia is perfect for both families and automotive connoisseurs. GM certified pre-owned means you not only get the reassurance of a 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper limited warranty, but also a 2 years/24,000-mile standard CPO maintenance plan, up to a 5 years/100,000-mile, $0 deductible, fully transferable, powertrain limited warranty, a 172-point inspection reconditioning, 24/7 roadside assistance, courtesy transportation, 3 days/150-mile customer satisfaction guarantee, 3-month trial on Star Directions and Connection service if available, Sirius XM Radio 3-mo trial if available, and a vehicle history report. All of Moses Downtown's pre-owned vehicles have been through a 117-point inspection at our award-winning service department. If you have a question, comment, or would like to schedule a test drive, please call us today at 304-343-5534. And be sure to check us out at www.mosesdowntown.com for our most up-to-date inventory and sales and service specials.